Hey guys, do you guys ever want to make a Lamborghini sound or like any type of motorcycle sound? Well, I'm gonna teach you how right now. Right now. What you want to do is get any can like this root beer and bend it up. Why are my hands so sticky? Oh, okay. I'll wash them out. Take the lid off. Take the lid off. I'm thinking. Then we're gonna just blow air like. Like you just want to get like you do this. It won't work. So you gotta do. Now, it's basically blowing air out. Basically. Don't brush it. It sucks a lot of air out if like you do it. This will make you like I don't know. Like this.